How you doing? My name is Jamaine Gaines, and I'm super excited to share with you how I lost 42 pounds in 4 months, still being able to enjoy regular food without killing myself in the gym. There's nothing wrong with working out, but when I started using this information that I'm getting ready to share with you, my knees were hurting, my back was hurting, my Achilles was hurting. I was frustrated. I would wake up in the morning and I already know that it was going to be a long day because I was literally struggling just to get out of the bed, energy. And I'm telling you that my stomach used to stick over my belt, and I was just frustrated. I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. And if that's you, you're dealing with high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, you're dealing with hormonal imbalances. If you're dealing with being overweight, you're dealing with neuropathy, you're dealing with erectile dysfunction, any of those things, this video and the information that I'm getting ready to share is going to bless your life. When you get done watching this video, get back with the person that shared this video with you, because you're going to want to thank them for sharing this information with you. So let me go ahead and put a couple before and after pictures on the screen so you can see where I currently am. Look at that right there. That's where I was. When I tell you that I was tired, I was frustrated, I was hoping for more, praying for more, needing more. I thought that it was so bad for so long that this was just what my life was going to be. But I'm grateful that I got this information, because now my life is forever changed and yours can change as well. So let me know real quick, just take a mental note, if you deal with any of these things that are on the screen right now. If you deal with constantly being hungry, the inability to lose weight, cravings for sugar or salty things, you deal with migraines, aches and pains, fatigue or upper abdomen obesity, if you deal with any of those, if you deal with the skin tags that go around your neck, if you deal with the dark rings that go around your neck, if you deal with your stomach being super hard, and I'm not talking about abs, I'm saying your stomach is super hard because of insulin resistance, or if you deal with any of these, if you deal with being constantly hungry, tired after eating, cravings all day long, if you deal with high cholesterol, bloated after eating, diabetes, high blood pressure, if you deal with difficulty losing weight or higher body fat percentage. And here's the thing, whenever I was growing up, and maybe it's just me, but when I was growing up, the only time I heard the word insulin, it was connected to somebody who had diabetes. I didn't realize that insulin actually impacts every single cell that is in your body. If they didn't want us to know that information, because it would literally give us the power to take back control of our health. This is the truth about insulin. From the brain to the toes, insulin regulates how your cells use energy, change its size, influences the production of other hormones. So not only is insulin the most dominant hormone in your body, it impacts the other hormones in your body, like your thyroid or your testosterone. Insulin impacts every single cell that is in your body, and it even determines whether a cell lives or dies. And these are just some of the cells that insulin impacts in your body: your brain, your ears, your heart, your muscle, your fat, your liver, your testicles. Yes, young men, insulin impacts your third leg standing up when it is time to get busy. Absolutely. Insulin impacts your young ladies, your ovaries, when it's time to reproduce. Insulin impacts your bones all the way down to your nerves. Insulin impacts every single cell that is in your body. So let me show you the 3 main ways that they attack your insulin. Here's the number 1 way that they attack your insulin. When we were growing up, we were told that breakfast was the most important meal of the day, because they already knew we needed to be told that it was the most important meal of the day, because if not, we wouldn't get up and run to the kitchen, because most people are not actually hungry when we first get up in the morning. But if we were told that it was the most important, then now we would be conditioned and trained to run to the kitchen for the fear of missing out. If you don't eat breakfast, and your day is not going to start good. I don't care if you eat an apple, if you eat an orange, or you have a big bowl of cereal, but you got to eat breakfast first thing in the morning. That's what we were told, because they knew that we would make us eat first thing in the morning. Every single time you eat, your body releases glucose into your bloodstream. Glucose is the fuel for your cells. Let me say that one more time. Every single time you eat, your body releases glucose into your bloodstream. Glucose is the fuel for your cells. Every single time that happens, boom, there is an alarm clock that goes off in your pancreas, and your pancreas begins to produce insulin. Insulin is the mailman that delivers the glucose to your cells. Say that one more time. Insulin is the mailman that delivers the glucose to your cells. Whenever that happens, your brain, your heart, your liver, your lungs, your kidneys, your ears, all of those things receive energy and the fuel that they need in order to operate the right way. So now check this out. Whenever your heart receives glucose, it lowers your blood pressure. They know that, but they're not going to give us that information, because now your body will begin to operate the the right way. They don't need to take shots at your brain. They don't need to take shots at your heart. They don't even need to take shots at your testicles. Only thing they need to do is to take control of your insulin. So when they told us that breakfast was the most important meal of the day, do me a favor. Break up the word breakfast into 2 words and let me know what you get. Get break and fast. Break and fast, because they know that when you eat breakfast, it's going to break your fast. And when you do that, they know if they can get you to eat breakfast, you're probably going to have a snack between breakfast and lunch. And if they get you to have a snack between breakfast and lunch, you're probably going to have a snack between lunch and dinner. Boom. And all day long, they are spiking your insulin all day long. And so by the end of the day, you're in an elevated state of insulin, and your body will no longer burn the fat as fuel. Your body stores it to the side, and what moves in? High blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and that list goes on. Here's strike 2. You've been to the grocery store recently and you saw those real long carrots. If you saw the real big apples, you saw the real big strawberries, or you saw the seedless grapes, or the real big seedless watermelons, that is genetically modified food. They already know that if they genetically modify the food, they pull all of the minerals, the vitamins, the antioxidants out of the food, then guess what? You cannot get healthy, because they already stripped the food, the minerals out of the food that you're getting ready to consume. And guess what? They fill it with growth hormones and starch. And now what happens is, even if you eat it, it's no longer even has a chance to be healthy for you. So that's strike 2, to take control of your insulin. They get you to eat breakfast, and then they turn around and they get you to eat food that is genetically modified. Here's strike 3. If you've ever had the itis, and I'm saying when you got done eating, you were down for the count. You already know what I'm talking about. You get done eating, you're like, bruh, I can't even see straight, bruh. That food's so good, bruh. My mama, she put her arm and her legs in the food, bruh. My wife, she put her toes and her ankles in the food, bruh. Matter of fact, my dad cannonballed and had red beans and rice. But literally every single time you get the itis, you are out of there. You are down for the count, because guess what? Every single time you get the itis, that is a sign that your body is producing too much insulin. And now what happens is your body tells you to go lay down, because it's now trying to help you not to check out and go see Jesus prematurely. Every single time you get the itis, that is a sign that your body is producing too much insulin, and too much glucose is in your bloodstream. So if you've ever flipped the light switch and the light bulb blew out, that's also one of the reasons why people have strokes. Every single time you get the itis, your body is trying to help you not to check out, like opening up too many windows on your laptop. Your laptop is going to blow a fuse or shut itself down. You got too many things open, or it tries to slow itself down, right? What moves in? High blood pressure, diabetes, erectile dysfunction. And now you wake up the next morning tired and even more hungry than what you were before you went to sleep. With that being said, I want you to know that you're not by yourself. This is a picture of my daughter. My daughter, she is 12 years old. I love my daughter. I would run through a brick wall for my daughter. This is my daughter, my princess, and I love my daughter. But the truth is, for 10 years, I dealt with my weight. I dealt with being frustrated. I dealt with being overweight. I dealt with my knees hurting, ankles hurting. I remember going to her first daddy-daughter dance, and I'm telling you, we was fly, but I was fat. It was fly, but I was fat. I remember 2 dances in, and I'm telling you, my knees were on fire. My thighs were on fire. I felt like I just got done doing a Zumba class. And some of y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. You go to that wedding and you get on the dance floor, and after 2 songs, you in a full drenched sweat. You are ready to lay it down. I know the feeling. I remember her coming up to me saying, "Daddy, come dance with me." And I'm like, "Baby, go dance with your friend." And it wasn't that I didn't want to dance with her. It was that I was frustrated because I was tired, and I couldn't tell her that. And so guess what? Maybe you're watching this video and you got a husband, you got a wife, you got kids, you got grandkids, and there are memories you want to be able to create, but you can't because your health will not allow you to. Guess what? There is a solution. The reason why whoever sent you this video is because they found out about this all natural product that is helping people regulate their insulin level, regulate your glucose levels, and now your body will fight for you to reverse. There are people coming off of high blood pressure medicine, diabetic medicine, high cholesterol medicine because of this all natural product. Now here's the kicker. The company has a 90-day money back guarantee. So the worst case scenario, you know how long you've been dealing with it. Ask yourself real quick, how long have I been dealing with being overweight? How long have I been dealing with high blood pressure? How long have I been dealing with not having energy or having brain mental fog? And if that answer is longer than than 5 months, then this information is for you. Now listen, I still eat nachos, hamburgers. I still eat the food that I enjoy because what this product does, it regulates my insulin levels. It regulates my glucose levels. The company came out in 2001. They created this product in 2008. That was 15 years ago, and it's life-changing to people all around the world. The company has credentials. So Sydney University, which is actually the college that created the glycemic index, they co-signed to the product. The Cleveland Clinic, which is the #1 heart hospital in America, they co-signed to the product. And I was like, bro, where do I order it from? So I'm going to show you the physical product, and then you can get back with the person that recommended this video to you, and then you can get access to the product. They can show you where you can order it from. So first, when I get up in the morning, I do not run to the kitchen and get food. Don't do that. That's only going to spike your insulin. They already want you to break your fast first thing in the morning. No, get up, drink some water. And then whenever I get done drinking the water, whenever I start getting hungry, I take my Unamante, 3 different flavors. There's lemon, lemon ginger, and then there's black. I recommend lemon or lemon ginger. Black is for your black coffee drinkers, okay? That is going to give you energy. That is going to give you mental clarity. It's going to elevate your mental stamina for you to be able to lock all the way in. There are some people that are coming off of ADD medicine, ADHD medicine. Some people are coming off of depression medicine because of the Unamante, okay? There are minerals, vitamins, antioxidants in the Unamante. It boosts your mood. Now, whenever I get ready to eat and I am ready to smash, I'm talking about hamburgers, nachos, whatever I'm going to eat, 10 to 15 minutes before I eat, I take my balance, okay? This tastes like an old school popsicle, orange dreamsicle, or old school push pop is what the balance tastes like. That is going to regulate your insulin levels and your glucose levels. So now your body will process the food that you just got done putting in it. When I tell you that it has been life-changing, I know the feeling of being fat and being overweight, and normally it is a generational thing that in our minds we're saying, oh, it's hereditary. Being fat is not hereditary. High blood pressure is not hereditary. High cholesterol is not hereditary. If they can take control of your insulin, then now they can take control of everything else in your body. This product, whenever you order, you're going to get 90 packets with your order. It is $150. That is $5 a day. But ask yourself this question. Look at this picture right now and ask me this question. Is it worth $5 a day to take back control of my health? It's worth $5 a day to take back control of your energy. $5 a day to no longer have mental fog. $5 a day to get rid of the itis. $5 a day to have more energy, to have more passion, to have more vitality. $5 a day to be able to take back control of your health. And if that answer is yes, what I want you to do is to get back with the person that sent you this video and ask them, how do I order this product right now? There's a 90-day money-back guarantee. Worst case scenario, in 3 months, you're still fat. I don't say that in a rude way. I'm saying that that's the question that I ask myself. In 90 days, if I've been dealing with this for 10 months, 90 days, I'm still fat, all natural product, what do I lose? But what if I'm telling you the truth and you can change your life forever? So get back with the person who sent this video to you. Tell them thank you so much. Order the product and ask them to add you to the Facebook support group so you can be rallied around with some other people that are going the same direction as you, and we can get healthy together. I love y'all. Talk to y'all real soon. Jamaine Gaines, I'm out.